Yes, welcome to our next class, students. Next chapter is Roman numbers, and you all must be confused. It is not in your book. So children, Roman number you have done in class 4th. So we have to revise this chapter from 4th class book only. See, class 4th book. Let us learn Candid. Let's learn mathematics, which you have done last year, which you followed the book. This book you have followed. So from that book only, we will be revising chapter number 15, that is Roman number. I know my students are familiar with this chapter. Even then, a revision will do over here. There are 7 basic symbols to write any Roman number. All of you are familiar with this. You can write 1 in this way. 5 we are writing this way. 10 we can represent like this. 50 is represented by L. 100 is represented with C. 500 with D and 1000 with M. Now let's revise rules of the Roman number system. First rule is repetition of the Roman number means addition. If you repeat it like 1 and 1 repeated 2 times, it means 2. 1, 2, 3, it means 3. This is the symbol of 10. 10 plus 10 plus 10 means 30. Second rule, only the symbols or symbols 1, 10, 100 and 1000 can be repeated. You can repeat only these symbols. The numerals 5, L and D cannot be repeated. You can't write these symbols. You can't repeat it. Twice or thrice you can't write. Now, no symbol can be represented more than 3 times. You can repeat the symbols. Which symbols can be repeated? These symbols. And these symbols also you cannot repeat more than 3 times. Okay. Now, the smaller numeral written to the right, see, this is 5 and then after 1, 1 it is written. So 1 and 1 both are smaller, and if it is written to the right, it means addition. Now, if it is written to the left, that means subtraction. See here, 1 and 1 smaller than 5, that means 5 plus 1 plus 1. Same way, 10, 10 and 1. 1 is smaller, that means 10 plus 10 plus 1, that makes 21. Next, if the smaller numeral is written to the left of number, that means subtraction. Now 1 is smaller than 10, it means, and it is written on the left, 10 minus 1 is equal to 9 and so on. Then after 5, L and D means 5, 50 and 500 are never subtracted. You can't write it on the left side of a bigger number. 1 can be subtracted from 5 and 10 only. 10 can be subtracted from L and C, means 10 can be subtracted only from 50 and 100. C means 100 can be subtracted from D means 500 and M means 1000. So all these rules you have to keep in mind. Based upon these rules, let's do fill in the blanks. See, third question, fill in the blanks. The symbol dash, dash and dash cannot be repeated. Just now only we have done symbol 5, then 50 and then D cannot be repeated. The symbol dash, dash and dash can never be subtracted. 5, L and D. V, L and D cannot be subtracted. Repetition of the Roman numeral means addition. Okay. 1 can be subtracted only from 5 and 10. 10 can be subtracted from 50 and 100 only. Each of the symbol 1, 10, 100 and 500, that is, can be repeated at most 3 times only. Which of the following symbols are not meaningful? Write the correct numeral for wherever it is necessary. See children, we know that we can't repeat any numeral more than 3 times, but here it is written 4 times. That means it's not meaningful. But actually what he wanted to write 40. So what is the way of writing 40? It is L and then 10 to the left side. We will discuss this. Now 5 and 10. This is also wrong because 5 cannot be subtracted. So means what he want to write, 5 is written on the left side of 10, means he wanted to write 5. So how to write 5? It will be written like this way. Again 5 cannot be repeated, but he want to write 10. So how to write 10? This way. Clear? So all these are meaningless. They are not meaningful. So these are the correct forms you have to write in this way. Yes. 1 we represent like this way. 2 we represent like this way. 3 we represent like this way. 4, how to write? 5 minus 1, 4. 5 in this way. 6 how to write? 5 plus 1 6. 7 5 6 7. 8 5 6 7 8. Now we can't repeat 1 more than 3 times. Now how to write 9? 10 minus 1. And 10 how to write? Like this way. Clear? Now children, 20 how to write? 10 plus 10 is 20. 30 how to write? 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30. Now for 40, I can't repeat it more than 3 times. Now we know that L is the symbol of 50. And if we write 10 at the back of 50, it will make it 40. Because this means 50 minus 10, that will make it 40. Symbol of 50 we know, L. 60 how to write? L plus 10. 50 plus 10 is 60. 50, 10 plus 10 makes it 70. 50, 60, 70, 80. Now again, I can't repeat it more than 3 times. So for 90, what should we write? C is the symbol of 100. If we subtract 10 from it, that will make it 90. And for 100, we know that the symbol is C. Now, 15.1 of question number 1. Let's write in the, we have to write 44 in the Roman numeral we have to write. See children, 44. So first of all, how to write 40? 40 how to write? 50 minus 10 will write it 40. Now we need to write 44. So add 4 in this. How to write 4? This is the way to write 4. So XL makes it 40. 40 plus 4 will make it 44. Next is 68. So first of all we'll write 60. This is 50 plus 10, 60. Then we have to write 8. And we know how to write 8. I have already shown you this way. Clear? Then next is 40. We know that L is the symbol of 50. And if we'll write 10 at the back, we'll make it 40. Now 98. So first of all, we'll write 90. I have shown you. This is the way we have to make 90. And then 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now for 37, first we'll make 30. 10, 10, 10. And then we'll write 7. Clear? Then 54. How to write? What is the symbol of 50? L. And then 4 this way. Then after 84, so first of all make it 80, 50, 60, 70, 80 and then we'll write 4. 88 in the same way only, L, 50, 60, 70, 80 and then 88 more we have to write 5, 6, 7, 8. 64, 50 and 60, now we have to make 4. So this way we'll make. Then 81, make 80 again, 50, 60, 70, 80 and then 1 we'll write. So this way we can write the numbers and you can note down the remaining parts of question number 1. All these parts you have to try on your notebooks. Okay? Yes, second question, express the following in Hindu-Arabic numerals. See children, what it is? XL means 40. Plus what it is? 4. So that will make it 44. Now what is the meaning of this? X and C means 90 plus this is what? 4. That will make it 94. Now XL means what? 40 plus this is the symbol of 5. That will make it 45. Now come over here. LX means, what is the meaning of LX? 60 plus 3 will make it 63. Now this is what? 20 plus 2 is 22. 50, 60, 70 plus 5 will make it 75. Now come over here. XC means, this means 90 plus 7 will make it 97. Then again XC means 90 plus this is what? 3 will make it 93. Then XL means 40 plus 3 will make it 43. So you can note down the remaining parts of question number 2. All these parts you have to try yourself. Yes children, write the Roman numerals from 25 to 35. These 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th question you have to try yourself. Up to 100 you should know all the Roman numbers. Now write greater or lesser in the boxes. So very simple. XL means 40 plus 4 it will make it 44. L means 50. So which is greater? 50. So this way you will show the sign. LX means 40 and it means 50, 60, 70. So this one is greater. XC means it is 90. This is 50. So this is greater. We will show the opening this side. XL means 40. C means 100. So this is greater. Same way, this will make it 90. This is 61. So all greater and lesser parts you can do yourself. Then so this is the last question, matchups. So this also I have already done. So you can do matchups yourself. So this is all about Roman numbers. Try this chapter. All of you are familiar. Okay, and prepare yourself for the exams. Thank you, children.